They aren't psychics, they're crazy people who have convinced themselves they're psychics. Ask your doctor. Not a deranged person. Damn, after reading through all these comments and seeing Op say that they got the information from psychics for free because Op is a psychic, but is now asking people on a premium bike ride shirt trip and ego death. It posts like this that make the rest of us psychonauts look like loony. Premium bike ride shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. I don't understand how the homie can afford shrooms week after week but can't afford a quick visit to the clinic. You can go see a local physician for like $100 bucks, my man. You can get advice from them without taking prescriptions, MRIs, CAT scans, etc. But they will end a trip and end premium bike ride shirt. Perhaps you should have one on hand. I do actually sing passionately. I make up Bible hymns, haha, so weird you mention that. I always feel the need to sing my heart out on them. This is dangerous nonsense. The other product